All right, weather-wise, we're going to be settling into a new weather pattern as we head into Mother's Day weekend, but we still have a few showers on the radar. Also going to show you who got the most rain today. Out here on the hill, it's a quiet night. It's a really nice night. Good feel to the air outside. Winds are calm. Temperature under cloudy skies, 69 degrees. North wind about 13 miles per hour. So dew point with that north wind is dropped below 60. And remember, it's always a little higher this time of night. So that means it's going to be nice and comfortable as we get a few days with dew points in the 50s. Highs about average where we should be, mid-80s. 87 is where we finished, 83 at Uvalde. Look at Rock Springs. High of only 75 today. Excuse me, nice and rain-cooled, 79 at Bernie. 88 at Pearsall and Cotulla, but those were 90s yesterday. Even Seguin hit 88. All right, the thunderstorms down I-37 to Corpus Christi for a severe thunderstorm warning, but for us, the last of any kind of measurable rain, leaving Atascosa County now falling near Karnes City. Into Cuero, some heavy rain. The lightning and thunder is going to be south of Victoria and on the Texas coast. We've got a little sliver of rain we'll take a closer look at. Once again, most of this rain is dying down, but this is a real light little band right down Highway 90. Look at that. Far west San Antonio to Castroville to Hondo. Just a little band of light precipitation. All right, well, let's take a look. Rainfall-wise, across this area, we saw maybe a half an inch. It really wasn't a whole lot for San Antonio. We saw right about a quarter for the airport, a little closer to an inch and a half near Timberwood Park. The measurements were best out to the south, especially down south near Beeville. 4 inches of rain. Now the atmosphere begins to stabilize. This area of low pressure exits east, and we start getting a more stable flow. And then look at this ridge of high pressure, and this means heat. We've got a lot of hot air in this forecast the next 14 days, but it will be a little more comfortable, especially over the weekend as the dew points will go down into the 50s and stay there pretty much into the middle part of next week. This is going to be a gift this time of year to kind of shut down the Gulf of Mexico a little bit and see dew points south of the 60s. That'll feel really good. All right, 14-day forecast, and because that air dries out a little bit, that's what's going to help it heat up next week. So first and foremost, we've got tomorrow, 64 to 84. Now, it will be breezy at times with the north wind about 15 to 20 miles per hour and a 50-50 chance of that rain to continue to our south. So we'll expect to see that just again about another couple of hours, and that'll be gone with the last of it on the Texas coast. Saturday and Sunday, spectacular weather days, only 82 and partly cloudy on Saturday, down at 58 for a spectacular Mother's Day morning, then sunny at 83, and then here come the 90s. Monday 90, but then Tuesday 97, triple-digit heat coming up on May 14th. Remember, once you get those dew points into the 50s, that's when it's possible. 99 on Thursday the 15th. Then as we get into Saturday, look at this, the 17th, 101 to 102. There will be a slight chance. When you get that hot, sometimes you hit convective temperature, and you can pop some isolated thunderstorms, so that's a 30% chance in the forecast before a sunny and 95-degree May 18th. So now we're heading into a very dry weather pattern. We're going to see the aquifer drop. Molds will stay fairly light as well, so that is one of the payoffs. But boy, what a beautiful Mother's Day weekend waiting for us.